Embark on an epic global culinary journey as we take you on a tantalizing expedition through diverse cultures and cuisines. Join us as we explore the rich tapestry of global flavors, from the aromatic spices of India to the savory delights of Italy, the fiery feasts of Mexico to the delicate tastes of Japan. Each segment will be a virtual travelogue, delving into the heart of culinary traditions, cooking techniques, and the stories behind signature dishes. Our passionate chefs will guide you step by step through the preparation of iconic international recipes, ensuring you master the authentic methods of each cuisine. Whether it's crafting perfect sushi rolls, hand-rolling fresh pasta, or concocting mouth-watering curries, you'll learn the artistry of each dish while gaining insight into the cultural significance of the ingredients used. Beyond just cooking, our video aims to deepen your appreciation for the culinary diversity that enriches our world. We'll share anecdotes about the origins of dishes, the customs associated with dining, and the history that has shaped the food we enjoy today. By the end of this global culinary journey, you'll not only have expanded your cooking repertoire but also broadened your cultural horizons.